How to get mildew smell out of your washer, detailed guide. Are you tired of feeling like you're doing your laundry in a moldy cave every time you use your washing machine? Don't worry, this video has got you covered. You'll learn how to get mildew smell out of your washer in simple steps. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Step 1. Identify the source of the mildew smell. This step is important because the process of removing the mildew smell will depend on the location of the source. Check the rubber gasket. The gasket is a rubber seal around the machine's door. This seal keeps the water inside the washing machine during a wash cycle. When the gasket is not dried properly after use, it can cause mildew to build up around the door. Furthermore, if the gasket is exposed to moisture for an extended period, it can also cause mildew buildup. To identify if the rubber gasket is the source of the mildew smell, inspect it for any visible signs of mildew. You might also perceive the smell while doing your inspection. Therefore, make sure you wear a mask. Check the drain pipe. If you suspect that the mildew smell is coming from the drain pipe, do the following. Make sure that the washing machine is empty and unplugged. Then, locate the drain pipe. It is usually at the back of the washing machine. Look for any visible signs of mildew outside the drain pipe. If you see any, clean the pipe to remove the source of the smell. We'll show you how to do that later in this video. If the outside of the drain pipe looks clean, try to locate the source of the smell. If you suspect the water inlet valve or the water pump is the smell source, repeat the steps we just shared. The only difference is that you'll locate the water inlet valve or water pump, depending on the part you are checking, instead of the drain pipe. Step 2. Remove the mildew smell. Clean the rubber gasket and the inside of the washing machine. You might also have to clean the drain pipe, water inlet valve, or water pump. Cleaning the rubber gasket. Start by filling a spray bottle with equal parts water and white vinegar. Next, spray the solution onto the rubber gasket and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Finally, wipe the gasket clean with a cloth or sponge. Repeat this process until the mildew smell is gone. Cleaning the inside of the washing machine. Start by running a hot water cycle without any clothes or detergent. This will help clean the interior of the machine. Add 2 cups of white vinegar to the machine during the hot water cycle. Vinegar is a natural disinfectant and will help kill any mold or mildew that may be causing the smell. Once the cycle is complete, use a clean damp cloth to wipe down the interior of the machine, including the door and the rubber gasket around it. Make sure to remove any visible mold or mildew. Thereafter, you can also use baking soda to absorb any remaining odors. Just sprinkle half a cup of baking soda into the drum of the machine and run another hot water cycle. Cleaning the drain pipe. Before cleaning the drain pipe, make sure to unplug the washing machine from its power source to prevent any accidents. Disconnect the drain hose from the pipe. Using a pair of gloves and a small brush or wire, remove any visible debris or buildup from the drain pipe and hose. Pour a cup of baking soda down the drain pipe and follow it with a cup of white vinegar. The mixture will fizz and bubble, which helps to break down any remaining debris and eliminate odors. Let the baking soda and vinegar mixture sit in the drain pipe for at least 30 minutes to an hour to allow the solution to work its way through the pipe and clean any buildup. If possible, leave it overnight. After the mixture has had time to sit, flush the drain pipe and hose with hot water to remove any remaining debris and the cleaning solution. Reconnect the drain hose to the pipe and run a hot water cycle without any clothes or detergent to further clean the machine. Cleaning the water inlet valve. Before cleaning the water inlet valve, make sure to turn off the power and water supply to the washing machine. The water inlet valve is usually located at the back of the machine and is connected to the water supply hoses. Using pliers, disconnect the water supply hoses from the water inlet valve. Make sure to have a towel or bucket handy to catch any water that may spill out. Depending on the make and model of the washing machine, you may need to remove the water inlet valve from the machine to clean it properly. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for doing so. In a bucket or sink, mix equal parts of white vinegar and water. Place the water inlet valve in the mixture and let it soak for at least 30 minutes to an hour. After soaking, use a soft bristled brush to scrub the valve and remove any remaining buildup or debris. Rinse the valve with clean water and reattach it to the washing machine. Reconnect the water supply hoses and turn the power and water supply back on. Run a hot water cycle without any clothes or detergent to flush out any remaining vinegar or debris. Step 3. Prevent the mildew smell from returning. Always ensure that the washing machine is clean and dry. This maintenance is necessary to prevent recurring mildew growth and smell. Here are some tips for maintaining your washing machine. Leave the door open after each use to allow the inside of the washing machine to dry completely. Use a small amount of detergent and avoid overloading the washing machine. Clean the rubber gasket regularly with a mixture of water and vinegar. Run a hot water cycle, adding a cup of white vinegar, once a month to help remove any buildup of dirt and grime. Run this cycle without any clothes or detergent added. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.